What's up, guys? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are doing well. So, guys, I just want to give you guys a recap on the trade I took earlier today on GBPUSD. So, this is GBPUSD on the 1 hour time frame. This right here is the trade I took earlier. And the trade did not just do well, it has been ranging since I got my entry around this point. Price has not really gone anywhere, it has just been ranging. And currently, I closed the trade at this current position. This is why I closed the trade. So I initially brought my stop loss to break even, but then I felt that I should just take the little profit that is already there because we're going into the Asian session and I'm not sure this trade will go down. It may even end up hitting my break even before coming all the way down. So I just prefer to just go out of the trade. So this is GBP Let me give you guys the idea behind this trade. GBPUSD has been on a very serious downtrend, as you can see. So as you can see, it has been going down, right? It has been going down from the top here all the way to down here. So I got interested in GBPUSD after I had missed a selling opportunity right here. Price came up, took out this liquidity, sold off this area of resistance, created a new supply, came back into that supply, right? Touched it once, twice, came back again, and then boom, price sold off. So immediately I saw that price sold off again at this point. Next thing I was waiting for was to see how price will react when it comes back into this area of supply again, right? So price after selling off, price came back all the way till this point and then sold off again. So when I saw price sell off again, next thing I was looking for was to see price come back to this area, then I look for sales. Now price actually did come back, take out this high, and then started selling off. Sold off and came and formed some kind of liquidity down here. So when I saw this, I was now looking for an opportunity to enter the sales again. It's just selling, selling. So I was also looking for an opportunity to sell. So the reason why I got into this trade at this point was, now this is the first liquidity sweep for me. Price didn't really tap into this area of supply here, but then it took out liquidity and created a very strong sell-off. So once I saw this, I was comfortable with looking for sales around this zone. So this was around London session. When I saw price take out this area here, this liquidity here, I was also interested in selling the market. But I didn't just want to sell off because of this liquidity sweep, because I wanted my SL to be tight. This is like 17 pips SL. I didn't want my SL to be more than 20 pips. So if I was going to just sell off immediately right here, for me to have a comfortable SL, my SL will need to be above this zone right here, and that will be really huge. So what I then did was to wait for a confirmation before I got into the sell. So when I saw price take out this area of liquidity that I marked out, that's the Asian high. When I saw price take out this Asian high, it didn't tap into this supply, this premium level of supply or other block or whatever, but that doesn't matter. The most important thing is to see that price actually takes out liquidity and gives a reaction that changes character. So when price took out this liquidity right here, I was just watching the market to see what it will do. So the next thing that I was waiting to see was to see price give us a change of character. So right here, you see this price action I played out here. This was my confirmation for me to sell GBPUSD this morning, because after price took out this area of liquidity that I had marked out, it then came right here and give us the change of character just about here, right? So this is the low that took out the liquidity. This is the low right here that took out the liquidity. So I was waiting to see price come and take out this low. So when I saw price take out this low, the next thing was to look for an area of, interest to sell off. And that was why I put my entry on this other block right here. If you go to the 15 minutes or 5 or 30 minutes, you'll see that the other block is clearer there, right? So you see this candle that has the wick. I put my entry right around there. So I put my entry there and put my stop loss above the candle. So after price broke here, it came all the way down and then it started ranging, and we got an entry at this point. Got an entry at this point. Price came probably up to 3 hour in profit, but then I came back to the chart and I saw that price action was messed up. This is what the price has just been doing. So I just decided to take my little profit at this point, about 0.6%. So I have closed this trade and I'm going to let GBPUSD do whatever it's planning to do here. Then we'll look for another selling opportunity. So this is the rationale behind this trade. This is the, my thinking, my mental process behind this trade idea and this trade that I took this morning on GBPUSD. If you want to see my trades, if you want to watch, if you want to get my entries and everything that I do, then you should check my Telegram channel. Check the link or the description of this video. You will find a link to join my Telegram channel. So there I drop all the trades I take before I even take them, so you can take them with me, right? All right, so that was it for GBPUSD. But before we go, I need to show you guys this setup that is playing out, or that is, prepping up on gold. All right, so this is gold, and something interesting is, preparing itself on gold. Now let's go to the higher time frame. This is gold on 1 hour time frame. So initially, before the market opened, I was anticipating that gold was gonna, buy, like blow off and take out its all-time high at this point right here, around 2,483, right? This was what I was thinking. I was thinking gold was just gonna buy and take out the all-time high. Why? Because it's almost there. It's almost there, right? And then we got this huge sell-off after NFP. Market came and took out this liquidity down here, tapped into this area of demand. So with all of this thing, I was thinking, all right, you get, like, market sold off, took out all this liquidity down here, tapped into this area of demand and started buying, right? Started moving to the upside. So with all of this, I thought, well, we should see some crazy buys that should come and take out this high. But I was not, keen on entering any position because I didn't see any, suitable. It didn't really mark or meet my confirmations, So next thing was, I saw that gold started selling off crazily after it came and took out this liquidity right here. So this is an inducement in the sense that it came and lured people, it deceived people and started selling. Then a lot of people sold here, put their SL just on the top of this indecision candle. Then they now got wrecked. Gold came back, took out this inducement, tapped into this other block and sold off, right? Tapped into this area of supply and sold off. Now, a lot of people will be saying, a lot of people will think they've missed the trade and all of that. But me, I'm actually very cool. I don't feel like I've missed this trade, even though, yeah, this is a trade that I potentially will have taken, but I'm not feeling bad about it because I, for one, thought that gold was going to continue buying, and I didn't see this as any strong, any strong area of supply that could hold, especially because it had not taken out some of these areas of liquidity at the left here. So if holding this high right here came all the way here and took out the all-time high, then fine, I will have, entered this sell right here. I will have sold gold at this point because I'll be more confident that the liquidity has been taken at this point. But liquidity was still much available, and then I didn't just see this as any supply zone that, can trigger this huge sell-off. But then it did happen. We saw this huge sell-off. And then right now, I'm looking to sell. I'm looking to sell again. I feel this is a very cool opportunity for us to catch the sales further to the downside. It's very possible for us to see gold come all the way to take out these lows before it continues its bullish move, right? So it's very possible. So what am I expecting? Now, this is a protected high. Protected high in the sense that it is the high that took out the low. So especially not just that it took out this low, it actually grabbed liquidity before it took out this low. So this most likely is a very strong high that price may not breach, right? So what I'm looking out to do right now is to sell gold at around this region. But I'm not going to sell gold right now. I'll wait until tomorrow, London open, tomorrow morning. Then I'll wait to see the price action that plays out around this point. So, and again, if you see, this is an area of resistance, right? This is an area of resistance. Like, this was the support. Price came here, bounced off, and then broke it. So this area of support now should turn and act as an area of resistance for gold to sell off, right? So this is also, like some other block or indecision candle that price is most likely going to sell off from. That's why I marked this area right here. But then I'm not in a rush. I'm just going to wait for price action to further play out. And then tomorrow, London open, when we have more volatility in the market, the next thing I'm going to do is to wait to see how gold behaves. If gold now breaks down, say breaks this low that is creating here, maybe it breaks it to the downside, I'm now going to wait for, a retracement to enter. I'm not just going to enter immediately. What I want to see gold do is I want to see gold come up, take out this place, then come and break this low. Once it breaks the low, then I'll look to enter at a point like this and target this lows. So this is exactly what I'm looking out for in gold. Exactly what I'm looking out for. If I see this happen tomorrow morning, London session, I'm going to set my sell limit somewhere at a nice point of interest and hope to get an entry for the sell-off. So that's it, guys. I hope you got value from this. If you did get value, don't forget to like the video and smash the subscribe button. And do well to check the description of this video. You will find the link to join my Telegram channel, guys. My Telegram channel, I share all my trades there. You can join and then, you catch up with my trades. And also, if you want to trade with a trusted broker, then you should be signing up with EXNESS. Always, guys, I will always recommend EXNESS as my #1 broker. So check out the description of this video. You'll find a link to sign up with EXNESS. You will also find a link to sign up with HFM and Deriv in case you don't want to use EXNESS. So guys, I hope you got value from this. See you guys in the next one. Cheers and bye-bye.